Totally insane. New FLUX AI RAW wowed the world. Imagine an AI so powerful, it's redefining the boundaries of creativity and technology. Introducing FLUX AI RAW, one of the most groundbreaking AI tools to hit the scene. This new release has people around the world in awe. And today, I'm going to break down why everyone's talking about it. Whether you're a creator, tech enthusiast, or just curious about AI, you're about to see why FLUX AI RAW is a total game changer. Let's dive in and explore what makes this tool truly insane. Section 1. What is FLUX AI RAW, and why is it such a big deal? So what exactly is FLUX AI RAW, and why is it blowing minds? At its core, FLUX AI RAW is an advanced image and video generation tool that can create incredibly realistic visuals from scratch. But here's the kicker, it doesn't just make standard images or videos. FLUX uses advanced algorithms to produce content with a level of depth, color accuracy, and realism that's unmatched. Imagine creating entire scenes, lifelike characters, or cinematic visuals with just a few inputs. This is more than just an AI tool, it's a creative powerhouse that gives users unprecedented control over their digital creations. Whether you're in gaming, filmmaking, marketing, or art, FLUX AI RAW opens up new possibilities. Ready to see how it works? Section 2. Key features of FLUX AI RAW. What sets it apart? Let's take a look at some of the standout features that make FLUX AI RAW so unique. First up, there's the dynamic scene creation. This feature allows you to design complex scenes with a single prompt. Want a cityscape at sunset? A forest covered in mist? Just describe it, and FLUX brings it to life with stunning detail. Another killer feature is character consistency. FLUX remembers the appearance of characters across different images or scenes, making it perfect for projects that require visual consistency. Imagine creating a character once and being able to place them in multiple settings without any deviation in style or look. Then there's cinematic lighting control, a tool that lets you adjust lighting effects like a pro. From dramatic shadows to soft glows, FLUX gives you full control, allowing you to set the mood and atmosphere of each shot with ease. Section 3. Hands-on. How to get started with FLUX AI RAW. Alright, let's talk about how you can start using FLUX AI RAW to create your own incredible visuals. First, head over to the FLUX AI website and sign up. They offer a free trial, which is perfect for exploring the tool before committing to a subscription. Once you're in, the interface is clean and user-friendly. Start by entering a description of what you want to create, a character, a location, or even an abstract concept. FLUX will take your words and generate a high-quality image or video scene. Want to tweak the result? You can adjust settings like color, contrast, and lighting to get the exact look you're going for. This hands-on approach allows you to create exactly what you envision, giving you control over every detail, while the AI handles the heavy lifting. Section 4. The power of prompts. How to get the best results with FLUX. To really unlock the potential of FLUX AI RAW, mastering prompt creation is key. Prompts are what guide the AI in generating visuals, so the more specific you are, the better your results will be. For example, instead of saying city at night, try something like a bustling city at night with neon lights reflecting on wet pavement. The AI picks up on descriptive details and uses them to add depth and realism to the scene. If you're creating characters, add personality traits like a confident expression, or wearing a dark leather jacket under dramatic lighting. This level of detail brings your creations to life and makes them feel authentic. Section 5. Character and scene. Consistency. Keeping your story cohesive. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of FLUX AI RAW is its ability to maintain consistency across multiple scenes. For creators working on projects with recurring characters or specific locations, this is a huge benefit. Say you're creating a short story or a series with the same character. You don't have to recreate their look each time. FLUX will remember their features and keep them consistent across different settings. To ensure this, use reference prompts or save character profiles. By reusing these, you can create a cohesive visual story where each scene flows seamlessly into the next. This level of consistency is something traditional image generation tools struggle with, but FLUX AI RAW nails it. Section 6. advanced tips, lighting, angles, and styles. Ready to go pro with Flux? Let's talk about some advanced tips to make your visuals truly stand out. First, experiment with lighting. This is one of the best ways to set the mood and create impact. Try using terms like soft morning light or harsh shadows to convey different atmospheres. Another tip is to play with camera angles. Ask for a low angle shot to make characters look powerful, or a wide shot for establishing the scene. These angles can change how viewers perceive your visuals and add a cinematic touch. Lastly, experiment with art styles. Want something that looks like a classic painting? Try prompts like, "in the style of Impressionism." For a modern look, go with futuristic digital art. This flexibility is what makes Flux such a creative powerhouse. Section 7. The future of visual storytelling. Where Flux AI RAW is headed. The capabilities of Flux AI RAW are already impressive, but the future looks even brighter. As AI continues to evolve, we're likely to see Flux integrate even more advanced features, like real-time animation and interactive 3D rendering. Imagine being able to create interactive scenes where viewers can explore environments or characters that react to their presence. With Flux, we're getting a glimpse into the future of storytelling, one where creators can build entire worlds from their imaginations and share them with audiences in ways we've never seen before. So there you have it, a deep dive into Flux AI RAW, the tool that's taking the creative world by storm. From dynamic scenes to consistent characters, FLUX is revolutionizing visual storytelling and giving creators more control than ever. If you're as excited about this technology as I am, I highly recommend trying it out for yourself. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown and subscribe for more insights on the latest in AI and digital creation. Have you tried Flux AI RAW yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep exploring this amazing tech together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.